they have a vending machine which makes coffee in 180 seconds over here in Bangkok. Can you believe it? Have a look. My seconds are going up, so we'll wait and watch if the coffee comes out.
Don't forget to enter your phone number and your password.
See guys, it's coming out. Let's see this ice latte of Bangkok. If it is real or fake one. So it's another 121 seconds to go. Let's see. Is blending coffee. So there's this fresh coffee beans over here. So the coffee is blended. I can smell the fragrance. Yeah. 98 seconds. I think this is quicker than other coffee outlets. You shouldn't wait much. Max is 3 minutes. One more minute to go. He's crushing the coffee. Can you see guys over here? Smart machine. Okay, so the coffee is being poured. Have a look. 40 seconds. 38. 35 seconds to go. Hope there are no cockroaches inside the coffee. Oh, he's pouring the milk now. Another 20 seconds to go. Oh, he's stirring the milk. Wow.
All good.
All good.
No cream.
Bangkok should sponsor me this video.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, countdown. 3, 2, 1. Ready. Okay, where it is?
You have to click the lid.
No.
Yeah, because the lid is there.
This is the coffee, guys. Adding milk. How much milk?
It's coming.
Oh, look at this. Wow. Wow.
Please collect your straw and drink.
Beautiful. I'm waiting for the straw.